Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. And the one thing that you'll notice straight away, let me actually bring up just some moving averages the last sort of 3 to 6 months. One thing you'll notice when it comes to the markets itself is you can see how that we've had this low, we've had this higher low, we've had a higher low, and now look at this here, another higher low, and now we're moving to the upside. So on a technical basis, guys, we can see how that the SP 500 is definitely in a strong upward trend. We have never been in a downward trend or even threatened to be in a downward trend for a long time. As you can see, we made these lows, and then it ran up, all these small little high lows. We had this high low through here, then a higher low, then a higher low, rallied up, come back down, higher low, rallied up, come back down, higher low. So we've been in an upward trend this whole time. And you know the saying, the trend is your friend until the end. And until we stop making higher lows, don't fight the market, especially in this market right now. Oh my goodness. People calling a crash, I don't know about that. So we can see we've had a very big move to the upside. And you know, moving on now, if I'm actually looking at some sort of short-term sort of trend lines or whatever, let's actually bring up the last sort of 6 months. I can see where there's definitely a lot of maybe a bit of a trend line going through there. Or there's definitely might be something going on through there. So let me just use this point, this low level through here. All right, that level through there. There we go. So I'd use that level through there. And so you can see that would be the support. This is the support. You can see it came down and also tested at this support level as well too. I'm just trying to make sure that I get the proper trend line. So that'll be the trend line I use. You can see here support, came down, support, and now we're rallying to the upside. You know, the trend line really doesn't really mean anything, guys. I'm just drawing it there to see where if I can draw a trend line there. But the overall big theme here is this, is that if we take everything off the screen and bring on the last 3 months, the last 3 to 6 months, we can see low, higher low, higher low. Until the market stops doing these highs and lows, these higher lows, the market is continue to be in a very strong upward trend.